Good morning, children. Today we are going to do revision of lesson number 7 to 11. I hope all of you are doing revision at home. Children, get ready with your textbook. Let's start. Children, take out chapter 7. Ria's train got late. In chapter 6, you learned about Ria's journey. Ria's train got late is the continuation of lesson number 6. You know, children, to travel by train, we have to book our ticket prior. It is a duty of every passenger to take care of few things while traveling by train. Let's see which are they. Do not throw leftover food in the train. Take care of your luggage and look after it. Just as we look our comfort to be taken care of, we should be careful that other people's comfort is also taken care of. Tell me, children, why would Ria's train be 2 hours late from Vadodara? The rail tracks between Vadodara and Mumbai may be under repair. Or there may have been an accident, so there was a train on the tracks. Or maybe the train might not have got the signal to move forward. Let's revise the question answers. Ready? Which places did Ria visit at the railway station? The parcel room, waiting room, toilets, bathroom, canteen for tea and refreshment, and a staircase bridge to go from one place to the other. Okay? Children, you know, tunnel is made in the mountain for the railway tracks to pass through. In this way, railway lines pass over or through rivers, lakes, ponds, valleys, mountain region, etc. Let's see railway crossing tips. What care should be taken at railway crossing? Look both ways and listen before crossing the tracks. Remember that train can come at any time from any direction. Do not cross the track until the lights stop flashing. Do not stop in the middle of railway tracks. Okay? Children, do you remember how to use level crossings safely? Check both ways before crossing. If there is a train coming, don't cross. You have to understand the warnings. Why was there so much smoke and noise from vehicles at the level crossing? Why? Because some people did not turn off the engines of their vehicles even while waiting at the railway crossing. And what can we do to reduce noise of vehicle and save petrol and diesel? To switch off the engines of vehicles when waiting. And during regular checkup and servicing, the vehicles will reduce noise of the vehicle and even save fuel. Our country is a symbol of unity in diversity. People's dress, language and eating habits differ, but people all over the country are united. Tell me, children, which kind of dresses wearing people you seen? I have seen various type of people wearing different types of clothes. In Gujarat, men wear saris and Punjabi dress or chanya choli. Men wear shirt and trousers, dhotis and kurta, etc. In Maharashtra, women wear saris just like a dhoti. Children, first of all, you have to read textbook properly and learn question answers. You can see so many activities are in your textbook. Practice it properly and you can write answers in your own words. Let's start revision of chapter 8. Riya reached uncle's home. Who had come to receive Riya's family at Vapi station? Riya's uncle and his two sons had come to Vapi station to receive Riya's family. For long journeys, train is very convenient mode of transport. Children, we see many places on our travel. Some places are such that we have to buy separate tickets to visit them. Which are they? Do you remember that? Museum, zoo, exhibition, science city, etc. I told you we need to buy tickets to enter places like movie theater, science city, magic show, museum, etc. Children, you should learn this activity properly. You can see the picture of train ticket in page number 61. Find the information given below from the ticket and you have to write. One more activity in page number 62. The details of Riya's train is given in this timetable. Look at it carefully and give the answers to the questions given below. You have to do it. Okay? Let's revise lesson number 9, changing families. What did you understand from this lesson, children? The changes taking place in a human family due to birth, marriage and transfers. Changes take place in families due to various events and reasons. And you recognize the relation between various members of joint family. In this lesson, we saw changes in the families of Kiran, Sumi and Deepali for different reasons. Let's see. What happened in Kiran's family? Changes happened in Kiran's family due to the enjoyment of birth of her baby sister. In Sumi's family, changes happened due to her father's transfer to another place and due to the confusion regarding how to settle down in a new surroundings. In Deepali's family, changes happened due to her uncle's son getting married. The welcoming of the new bride and enjoying the marriage ceremony brought about a happy changes in the family. Children, you know there can be many reasons for changes in families. When a family member has to leave the family for a job, When a responsible member of the family passes away suddenly, when the financial condition improves, the family goes to live in a big, luxurious house also. Let's discuss some question answers. Are you ready, children? Which type of changes will be seen if there is a small baby in the house? First of all, we have to arrange a cradle. Then we have to bring toys. Okay? The elders of the house will have the added responsibility of looking after the baby. Who from Sumi's family will live with his father at the new place? Do you remember? Sumi and her mother will go with Sumi's father to the new place. Okay? Do you remember what changes will be there in Dipali's family now? Due to Dipali's cousin marriage, a new member has been added to her household. Dipali has a new sister-in-law. Yes, Bhabhi. Dipali's new sister-in-law will help in many of the household work. Dipali's aunts will get some relief from work. Listen, children, in Gujarat, many types of songs and dances are performed at weddings like Dosalo dance in North Gujarat, Morio dance in Arvalli, Samgudi song, Lesim dance, songs of bride farewell, songs of Pansali, Das Garba, Hudo, etc. songs and dances are seen. That is in your textbook, page number 69. You have to read it. Listen carefully. Government has decided the age for the marriage. Before that age, if anybody gets married, that is an offense because it is called child marriage. According to the law of child marriage, the minimum age for marriage for girls is 18 years and for boys it is 21 years. Okay? Children, you should practice how to draw a family tree. Okay? Children, you should learn how to draw a family tree. That is given in your workbook, page number 69. In textbook, so many activities are also given. You have to discuss with your grandparents and write. Okay? Children, you can see some activities and question answers given in your textbook. Do this activity by yourself. You can ask your parents and do it. Okay? Let's revise question answers of lesson number 10, Kabaddi Kabaddi Kabaddi. Tell me, what are indoor and outdoor games? Games that can be played inside house are known as indoor games, and games which are played outside or on playground are known as outdoor games. How many players are there in a Kabaddi team? There are 12 members in a team of Kabaddi and 7 players are seen on the ground at one time. What does it mean to be out in the Kabaddi? Tell me, children. When a player enters the area of the opposite team saying Kabaddi Kabaddi and does not touch the center line, then he is out. He has to keep saying, what he have to keep saying? Yes, kabaddi kabaddi, until he is in the opposite area and has not returned to his own side. If he cannot do this and stop for breath, then also he is out. Children, listen to me. We get the benefits by playing games. Which are they? Our body became flexible and healthy. You should learn qualities like discipline, sportsmanship, and teamwork developing you. We learn to enjoy victory and accept defeat with a sportsmanlike attitude. Okay? Tell me who inspired and supported Jwala, Leela, and Hira to play kabaddi? Tell me. Yes, by their uncles and their mother supported them. This is very important. In the past, what did people think about girls playing kabaddi? In the past, girls were not allowed to play kabaddi. I told you already, they thought that if girls played such rough games, nobody would marry them. They also said that girls had to wear boys' clothes to play this game. So they stopped girls from playing kabaddi. Understood? Listen to me, children. Karnam Malleshwari is a weightlifter from Andhra Pradesh. She has won 29 medals at the international level. And Sarita Gaikwad is a runner from Gujarat. She has won a gold medal in running. Jwala, Leela, and Hira were prominent kabaddi players of their times. Okay? You know, children, every game has some rules. The game is played according to these rules. A coach teaches the rules and tricks to play a game. Coach help the players to improve their performance. Understood? Let's start revision of chapter 11 in the orchard. I already told you we have seen many types of flowers. This includes rose, marigold, hibiscus, sunflowers, periwinkle, etc. Flowers increase the beauty of plants. Moreover, they are useful to us in different ways. We use various vegetables as food. These include potatoes, brinjal, tomatoes, cauliflower, cabbage, various types of beans, etc. Vegetables like beetroot, radish, carrot, sweet potatoes are roots that store food. Potatoes, ginger, turmeric are stems that store food. Let's discuss some question answers. Are you ready? What would happen if everybody plucked flowers? If everybody plucked flowers, there would be no colorful, beautiful flowers in any garden. And the beauty of all gardens will be destroyed. We should not do this because flowers make the environment fragrant and it increases the beauty of the surroundings area. Okay? And what differences do you find between a flower and a bud? Petals in bud are short and closely packed, while in flower they are open and separate. The flower is larger than the bud. A bud is pointed and covered with green leafy structures. A bud is the primary stage of a flower and flower blossom from a bud. Understood? Can you tell how many days will a bud take to bloom into a flower? It takes about 4 to 5 days for a bud to bloom into a flower. Tell me children, why do people buy flowers? People buy flowers for religious ceremonies, various decoration and different types of adornment, and for making garlands and for gifting as bouquets. Okay? And did you notice which plants around you need regular watering? Rose, marigold and periwinkle need to be watered regularly. All plants which are grown in pots have to be watered regularly. And which plants nearby you did not require water regularly? Let's see. Trees like neem and peepal that grow in our area do not need to be watered regularly. Listen to me children, have you seen a plant growing out from the crack of the wall? How can this plant grow there? Yes, wind or storm carries seeds from where they have fallen to the wall. When these seeds get water due to rain, they start to grow. Why does these plants have short life? Do you know? Because these plants do not get sufficient water. They remain fresh until there is moisture in the wall. Thereafter, they dry up due to the lack of water. Let's discuss the function of roots. Roots are one of the many parts of a plant. Its function is to support the tree and to absorb water from the soil and reach it to the various parts of the plant through stems. Tell me children, which are the vegetables growing below the ground? Potatoes, beetroots, carrot, radish, sweet potato, ginger, turmeric, etc. And name the vegetables growing above the ground. Brinjals, tomatoes, cauliflower, cabbage, chili, cucumber, etc. Let's discuss about Kabirwad. Kabirwad is a banyan tree growing on the banks of the Narmada river. The tree is spread over a very large area. Its prop roots, which are thick like pillars, support this huge tree. The prop root of this tree are spread over such a large area that is difficult to find its main trunk. There is a temple dedicated to Saint Kabir at this place. It is a place of tourist interest. Understood? Children, you can see many activities are in this lesson. You have to do this activity. Okay? Do practice properly. Listen to me carefully, children, as we have EVS exam on 27. You have to read each lesson 3 or 4 times and try to write answers in your own words. Children, you should read textbook thoroughly and do all the activities in your textbook and learn question answers. Okay? All the very best for your exam. Do well. God bless you all. Have a nice day.